What's the most emotional confession you've ever heard from a stranger? I used to work nights at a 24-hour diner. One rainy evening, an old man came in. He was soaked through and looked exhausted. He ordered coffee and just sat there for hours, staring out the window. Around 3 a.m., he called me over. His eyes were red like he'd been crying. He asked if I had time to listen. It was dead quiet, so I sat down. He told me he'd just come from the hospital. His wife of 30 years had passed away, but that wasn't what was eating at him. He confessed that for the last 5 years of their marriage, he'd been having an affair. He said, "I always thought I'd have time to end it, to make things right, but now she's gone, and she'll never know how much I really loved her." He broke down, sobbing right there in the booth. I didn't know what to say, so I just refilled his